Get ready for the next big thing in the smartphone world as we dive into the exciting details of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Set to be a groundbreaking device, the Z Fold 6 combines design innovations, cutting-edge technology, and user-focused improvements. Inspired by Huawei's Mate X and actively reverse engineering foldables from Chinese rivals, Samsung's goal is clear: to create a slimmer device without compromising on functionality. Addressing concerns about the Fold 5's narrow cover display, Samsung will not only slim down the device, but will also introduce a wider aspect ratio for the external display. There were rumors about a potential built-in S Pen slot on the back of the Z Fold 6. However, confirmation comes with the revelation that there won't be a dedicated slot. Samsung's commitment to a thinner profile and the challenges of accommodating an S Pen within the foldable form factor led to this decision. The Galaxy Fold 6 is set to upgrade to the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering stellar performance based on leaked benchmarks. This also means that we could expect powerful AI features, such as real-time audio and text translation during phone calls, intelligent photo selection, video object eraser, image expander, and document summarization, all handled on the device for a seamless user experience. Similarly, the Z Fold 6 retains the camera setup from its predecessors, but Samsung's main focus will be on software and AI enhancements for photography. Samsung is taking a step forward in durability by incorporating dust resistance into the Fold 6. Building on a new and improved hinge design, the device aims to withstand various environmental factors, ensuring a longer lifespan for this premium foldable. The Z Fold 6's specs reveal a 7.6-inch foldable display and improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and durability, all protected by Samsung's latest ultra-thin glass. Connectivity features include advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. The device will offer up to 12 GB of RAM, 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage, and a 4,400 mAh battery that aims for faster charging. As we eagerly await the official launch in August 2024, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 promises a harmonious blend of design, functionality, and technological advancements. Stay tuned for more future leaks and rumors, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.